Hi, in this video we are going to look at how we can patch multiple values, right? It's not just one x to y, it is more like a to b, c to d, e to f, right? So how we can patch multiple values. So here we have one drop down whose value we have already patched into this. The code is there over here, and for a quick demo, you can see this. If I select Chennai, it is Chennai. If I select Bangalore, it is Bangalore. Now, what if we want to patch some value into this text box as well as something into this checkbox? So we will go into the same code and we can patch multiple values by going ahead and giving a comma here. We can pick the next variable, which in this case is the state string. Again, because we are patching into this, we remove the fg.value. I'm going to pick up this, paste it over here, and then I'm just going to patch Karnataka here, direct patching. Then if I want to patch another value, I add a comma to the end of this line, press the enter key. This time I want to patch into the checkbox, which is attached to the variable var1 boolean. Control X, paste it here, and we patch the value true. All right, so now we save this, and you can see here we have patched Chennai, Karnataka, and automatically agree. Bengaluru, Karnataka, automatically agree. Now, one thing you have to remember is when you patch values like this, you cannot actually edit them. For example, I'm pressing the back button. I'm trying to delete. That is not possible once you have patched a value. There is, of course, a workaround for it, but we will see it in later classes. All right. Thank you.